Most generic 10K plans fail because they treat a 55-minute finisher and a sub-40 chaser exactly the same. Let's fix that with a 10-week framework built on 3 tiers. Beginner at 15 to 25 miles per week, intermediate pushing 40, and advanced aiming for 50. Every week requires 4 pillars: your easy miles, 1 long run, a tempo session, and VO2 max intervals. Beginners compress this into 4 days. Advanced runners spread it across 6. Weeks 1 through 3, build your base. The mistake most runners make is skipping strides. They are mandatory neuromuscular prep, not an afterthought. Weeks 4 through 7 introduce the cornerstone: tempo runs. Beginners need 15 continuous minutes at a comfortably hard effort. Advanced runners, you're doing 3 by 10 minutes strictly at lactate threshold. You also need VO2 max work. Beginners, aim for 5 by 800 meters hard. Advanced runners, target 6 by 1,000 meters at 5K pace. Warning, don't run these as all-out sprints. Notice I didn't skip the long run. A 60 to 90-minute easy run is non-negotiable. It builds the capillary density and mitochondrial volume required to sustain your threshold pace on race day. A vital note for female runners: 2025 research emphasizes higher carbohydrate demands during luteal phases. Never run these 90-minute sessions fasted. Pre-fuel to protect hormone health and maximize adaptations. Weeks 8 and 9 are for sharpening. This is where people panic and add crazy speed work. Don't. Your benchmark is 2 times 3 kilometers, exactly at goal 10K pace. Week 10 is your taper. Drop your volume by 30%, and this is crucial, keep the intensity high with 1 short, sharp session to prevent flat legs. The real secret isn't the crushing intervals. It's having the discipline to run recovery days truly easy. Follow the plan, trust the easy days, and your 10K will take care of itself. See you on the start line.